This year is the Japanese Zen theme, and basically we wanted to bring down the colors and everything that we did last year. We wanted to totally different this year. We went Southwestern last year, and this is just a very relaxing. It almost feels like when you go into a spa and you get a massage, and you come out feeling refreshed and invigorated and just tranquil. We wanted tranquility when we came in from the heat outside, and just have a nice place to just fall and enjoy.
And I think it's important to remember that it's a blank canvas.
Right.
You can make it anything you want, right? And it doesn't have to be just look like an RV. It can look like something that you absolutely love. If the space is yours, you're going to be much happier living in it. And so every year we do a different theme.
Yeah,
just because we won't change it out.
There's really no limits. Just because it's a traveling house doesn't mean that you have to limit your things to just travel things or camping things. You can just bring the things that make you comfortable from your home, bring them into your space and make it very unusual and unique. The first thing that occurred to me was his mom made this beautiful painting. It's a watercolor that she made and won an award for many years ago. And so that kind of set the tone. And because we wanted to go totally different on the wood, we thought light wood instead of dark. And then everything kind of like fed off of that. I wanted to have symbols that represented happiness and love and the things that all of us strive for. So that kind of brought on the color schemes, and I love the modern Japanese instead of the traditional Japanese, because it's more airy and fun and just younger. You know, you feel like it's a young theme. Everybody kind of relates to the Japanese Zen feeling.
She's the muse. You know, so I think for me, I get to work with so many different Oliver customers and helping them think about how they want to deck out their trailers. But it all kind of started with her asking, I need a cutting board that covers up the sink.
Yeah.
I need more counter space. I need a shower mat in there so I'm not standing in the water. And it was customers that kind of drove me into making what I make. But now, every year, she picks out a different set of countertops. I make them, drawer fronts, you name it. Whatever it is that complements her design, I'll do it, because I don't even get to see this. She keeps me out of the trailer. I didn't know we had that fabric or this. All right, she keeps me completely in the dark. You're like, go in there and install the countertops and drawer fronts and stay away. And for like 2 days, she's out here, and then she's like, okay, I'm ready. You can come in and see it. And I get the same thing like you did. It was like, oh my God. You know? And so I do the woodwork.
The thing I love the most is when people walk in for the first time and they're because it's a whole experience. It's not just the fabric. It's not just the wood. It's the whole experience altogether that makes it, the sound, the smells, everything.
We work well as a team. We bounce things off of each other, and it's fun. You know, I don't even say it's a labor of love. It's a love of love. You know, we love our Oliver. We spend a lot of time camping, and we enjoy hosting people. And for us, this makes us happy. That makes us truly happy.
And when you strip everything down, it's an empty canvas all over again. It's just starting like a whole new painting.
Yep.
And the possibilities are really endless.
You know, we originally looked at that other metal company, and because it's iconic, and you know everybody knows it, and an ad popped up, and it really caused me to start doing some due diligence. And the more I dug into Oliver, from my perspective, were the technical specs, its capabilities, and things like that, the quality, where is it made, all of that kind of stuff. And when I started comparing the two, I was like, whoa. While it is iconic, it isn't necessarily what I was looking for from a quality standpoint. And that led us to start really seriously looking at it. But I think there's two sides of the equation. Like I said, I'm on the spec part of it, the maintenance and the quality part of it. She was on the other side of it looking at, you know, the aesthetics and how's this going to work, and here's how we think we're going to camp, and is the configuration. And This configuration in the twin, while some people hate it, we absolutely love it. It works beautiful for us. And I'm 6'5", and I fit in that bed, not a problem, not a problem. So if I had to say to somebody, why did I buy an Oliver? Quality, okay? The service that stands behind it, okay? And the group of people that own them. Most people, times you don't consider that in a purchase. In this purchase, it's actually important because there's a whole group at 2 a.m. You can get online and go, I can't get the furnace till I'm freezing to death. Somebody will answer your question.
Somebody will always be there to answer your question.
Somebody will say, check this, check that.
And they all have the same pride and love for the product that you don't see in other trailers.
Yeah, it's a family.
It really stands out. And every time we have a rally, we meet new people, we make bonds. We have a commonality of so many things, and not just the trailer. It's the love for travel. It's the love for exploring and adventure and just getting together with people that are like-minded, which is it's a wonderful feeling.